Money runs our lives, yet few truly know what it is.
In the beginning, value was tangible. Goods, gold, silver, things you could touch.
But when goods didn't match, humans searched for a new solution. Then came coins, the first standard that made value measurable. Power has always sought control, and control begins with money.
Paper replaced metal, notes backed by the promise of gold.
For years, banknotes were backed by gold and truly held value.
But the bond between gold and paper finally broke, starting a new era. Fiat money arrived, its value now only the belief of the people.
Central banks became the new kings of money, ruling from the shadows. With a single press of a button, they create money and flood the supply. You grow poorer every day as your purchasing power quietly melts away.
When debt grows too large, the economy begins to shake and crisis follows.
The government's answer is always the same: print more money endlessly. But no balloon lasts forever. Even the economy eventually pops. Most people barely understand money and remain confused. Even banks create money the moment they lend it out. The system keeps people in debt, debt that never ends. Real power begins with awareness, knowing the truth about money. When you understand money, your decisions and your future transform. This isn't just a story, it's the reality we live in every single day. If you're stuck between financial fall and financial growth, the answer is cash flow and reducing money drains. Cash flow means money that moves into your life instead of away from you. But money that just sits in a bank account does absolutely nothing for you. A rental property is a classic example. Money comes back to you every month. Dividend-paying stocks also create real, steady cash flow for your future. Small businesses can become powerful engines of cash flow too. Financial costs like loan interest silently eat your money every single month. Taxes are another financial cost. They take a part of your income instantly. The higher your taxes, the weaker your personal cash flow becomes. Inflation reduces the power of your money even if you don't notice it daily. Unnecessary expenses or fees are also financial costs. Productive assets like homes, stocks, and businesses generate steady cash flow. But financial costs like debts and interest eat your money. The solution is to manage taxes and costs smartly so your money works for you. When money moves properly between home, business, and banks, cash flow exists. Strong cash flow makes your money work for you and preserves its value. Your goal is to strengthen cash flow and control expenses. With financial planning, your money always moves in the right path. The stronger the cash flow, the greater your financial independence. Controlling costs keeps your money valuable and growing. In fact, cash flow means your money works for you, not the other way around. When you create cash flow and control costs, your financial future shines. Every small financial improvement creates massive long-term results. Wealthy people have one secret: multiple sources of cash flow.